Ancient beginnings. What if I told you there's a nation that's been conquered, destroyed, exiled, reborn, and still stands at the center of world affairs thousands of years later? This is the story of Israel, one of the most complex, controversial, and resilient nations in human history. Our story begins over 4,000 years ago in the ancient land of Canaan, a crossroads of civilization nestled between Egypt and Mesopotamia. According to the Hebrew Bible, a man named Abraham received a divine promise that his descendants would become a great nation. By around 1200 BCE, after centuries of tribal migrations and bondage in Egypt, a group known as the Israelites emerged in Canaan. Led by figures like Moses and later Joshua, they established a loose confederation of tribes united by faith in a single God, Yahweh. Kingdoms and conquest. Around 1000 BCE, Israel transformed from a tribal society into a kingdom under King Saul, and then expanded under King David, who made Jerusalem its capital. His son, King Solomon, built the first temple, a central place of worship and national identity. But unity didn't last. After Solomon's death, the kingdom split into two, the kingdom of Israel in the north and the kingdom of Judah in the south. In 722 BCE, the Assyrians conquered the northern kingdom. In 586 BCE, the Babylonians destroyed the first temple in Jerusalem and exiled the people of Judah, a moment known as the Babylonian exile. Return and Roman rule. A generation later, the Persian Empire allowed the Jews to return and rebuild. The Second Temple was completed in 516 BCE, marking the beginning of the Second Temple period. For centuries, Israel stood at the mercy of empires, Persians, Greeks, Egyptians, and finally Romans. In 70 CE, after a Jewish revolt, the Romans destroyed the Second Temple, a defining moment in Jewish history. By 135 CE, after another failed revolt, Jews were exiled en masse, and Jerusalem was renamed Aelia Capitolina. This began nearly 2,000 years of diaspora. Diaspora and survival. For centuries, Jews lived as minorities across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East, often persecuted but fiercely preserving their identity. Despite having no homeland, Jewish culture, religion, and memory of Israel endured through prayer, ritual, and text. The dream of return, Zion, never faded.